You gotta be kidding me. Scummy dragon. Haggle with the bizarre guy. 6 gold. Haggle that. No. You punk. Fine. We don't need him anyway. Let's go out. We shut the front door. Let's go to tomb. You find nothing. God, this game. So that's the amp board. The speaker here. 3 buttons to do the UI. This is a Feather S2. And this is a TFT display. I'm about ready to give up. Let's go out a little bit. No, okay, this is ridiculous. This is not supposed to go this way. I'm switching frontier. I'm getting out to the new frontier. Travel into the next frontier. Let's go to plague. Lost 2 warriors. Do I have any warriors left? I apparently got something. Go to the tomb. You attack the darkness. Begins. Yeah, no kidding. I only got like... Come on. Ooh, we won. No, we got 1 dude left. Come on. Bam. Phooey. Why did I make this again?